So the bacteria that live in the root nodules of bean plants transform the nitrogen that is abundant in our atmosphere into a form that plants can take up through their roots. So plants can't actually absorb nitrogen from the air, they have to absorb it from the soil, and the bacteria in bean root nodules help to do that. So beans don't need rich soil, they don't need a lot of amendments. And then when you plant something the year after beans, or in the next succession later on in that year after beans, then that crop also gets a boost. So beans are I just think of them as very generous. And they also are fun. They're fun to harvest. They're fun to grow if you're growing them up on trellises. It's like Jack and the Beanstalk, just to watch them climb and climb. So I really love beans.